this is the press conference. Invite all our friends from the media, electronic media and press. Along with me, we have our director IT, Shri Kabir Shrigaonkar, the CEO of Goa Electronics, Revati Kumar, our friends from the academia, the principals of colleges, captains of the industry, and our department officials. आयचो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवपाचो मुद्दो म्हणल्यार the government always has found ways and means of launching policy sitting in the industry and the academia. आम्ही स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी जेन्ना लॉन्च केल्ली पयली मागीर आयटी पॉलिसी लॉन्च केली इन माय लास्ट टेन्युअर एज आयटी मिनिस्टर and Manoj Bhai was the chief minister then. It was after doing a lot of rounds of sitting with the industry and academia and churning out one of the best policies in the country. And Taja Khatir, the success story spells for the startup industry, the people who are in the IT fraternity to take best of the incentives and make Goa as a place for the building of an IT ecosystem. As things has traversed ahead, we have got a lot of support from our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sahu. And जशी technology पुढे वतात, we realize that we need to be in tune with what we need to talk and we need to deliver. AI has been the something which has artificial intelligence has come in a big way. It is absolutely disrupting a lot of things. It is impacting a lot of part as far as governance is concerned, as far as citizen life is concerned. And prospectively, we need to see how we can create a framework which can give a better cycle in terms of G2C, that is government to citizen services. How we can give a better building up of the fraternity as far as education is concerned, and overall ecosystem, how we could do it. So last year in 2025, the last quarter, we launched the part of AI Mission 2027. The whole thought was how we can create Goa AI Mission 2027 with the whole thought key we need to have a policy in place. We need to have the ecosystem being driven. And a certain area, the niche areas where we can touch upon, whether it's media tech, fintech, agri tech, tourism tech, health tech. So we can see where we can, and these core disciplines given, see how best we can make a better impact in these areas, which can give ease of living for the normal citizen in terms of services, in terms of the life they have as far as Goa is concerned. And in last few months, when the things were transiting, assembly आयली, assembling resolution बाबा रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्सान मूव केल्ले आनी तेन्ना आमी सविस्तर एआय मिशनाचेर आमी कितें करता, कशें जाय, कितें करपाक जाय, is what we discussed. We spoke about one thing is that technology must serve people, not replace them. And as industry 4.0 AI आसा, तेन्ना we need to ensure that the भुरग्यांक आमी जे आमचे youth आसात, that we ensure that we are able to give that particular human touch, keep that human touch with the advancing technologies. मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे उलोवन we thought of getting this policy drafted. And main important is as far as the IT graduates are concerned or all technical graduates are concerned, the whole thought process is that by 2028 they should be all AI certified. आणि AI certified youth force करतले तशेंच आमी भुरग्यांक AI एक्सपोज करतले मे बी फ्रॉम क्लास 6 ऑनवर्ड्स. आमी समज विमेन youth टार्गेटिंग एटलीस्ट 20% तांकां पार्टिसिपेट करपाक लायतले आनी एक अदमास 50,000 स्किल प्रोफेशनल बाय 2030 तयार करतले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता we have these initiatives to be coming into a policy. The whole thought being Goa being India's responsible AI and applied innovation hub. आम्ही आमच्याकडे जे अकॅडमी आसा, प्रिन्सिपल्स आसा, कॉलेजीचे फ्रेटर्निटीज आसा, people from the social responsibilities and people from the industry who have been a part of AI and contributing to the sector, तांचे सगळ्यांची मिटिंग घेऊन जवळजवळ डायरेक्टरांनी आम्ही म्हाका दिसता 4 मिटिंगो घेतल्यो. Lot of inputs were shared for to them from what our consultants had given us, and lot of feedback was taken, suggestions were taken from the industry and the academia to make this core draft policy. आज सांगपाक तुमकां खूप आनंद जाता की एज वी लुक एट द गोवा एआय ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी, we are getting it with very simple thing of talking about embracing the future with confidence and with clarity. आणि हे AI ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी आज आम्ही पब्लिक डोमेनान सोमारच्यान आमचो 4th of May the policy will be on the state portal. It will be on the IT website. It will be open to the public for 2 weeks, 15 days from the 4th of May 2026. Basically, we need to ensure that we get enough feedback from the people of Goa, whether it is the student fraternity, whether they are the citizens, whether they are experts, whether it is the industry. वो स्केलेटल फ्रेमवर्क जो ड्राफ्ट फॉर्मान आसा तो 4 मे आम्ही हाजेर पब्लीक डोमेनान घालतले. We expect that if we need to make a Swayampoorna Goa, as what our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant's vision talks about, and we need to be future ready, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता we need to have a proper mechanism of getting a feedback from the industry and everybody. So हातून आमी ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी 4 मेच्यान जी जातली तातूंत सगळ्या गोंयकारां कडेन मागता की जांकां आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्साचेर इनपुट्साचेर पॉलिसी मेकिंगाचेर तुमकां इनपुट दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार तुमी अवश्य त्या पब्लीक डोमेन जे स्टेट पोर्टल आनी ह्या असा डिटेल जो आमचो डिरेक्टर दितलो तातूंत तुमी तुमचे फीडबॅक दिवचे. गुगल फॉर्म काय ईमेल ते तो सांगतलो. सबस्क्रिप्शन पार्ट ऑफ इट ऑल्सो यू कॅन बी टेलिंग आनी तातूंतल्यान फीडबॅक येतकीर एक बरी पॉलिसी गोंया खातीर जातली, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द कंट्री. वी विल बी एबल टू से that Goa has arrived on the AI platform, and we will ensure that whatever is required in terms of giving the best to our people, whether it is the students, whether it is the industry or services to e-governance, is chalked out from this particular policy, which will also include skilling and other benefits. So, एक तुमच्या सगळ्यांक call out to the Goan fraternity, experts, industry and citizens and students to come and give your feedback on this particular portal. So, 100 दिसा भितर जो आमचो कमिटमेंट आशिल्लो 13 मार्चाक जी असेंब्ली जाल्ली त्या 13 मार्चाच्या रेझोल्युशनाक आमी सांगले 100 दिसाचो आमकां टायम जाय. वी विल एन्श्योर दॅट द पॉलिसी कम्स अँड इज इफेक्टिव्ह. 50 दिसा भितर ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी रेडी जाल्ली आसा. 15 दिसांचो टायम आमी पब्लीक डोमेनाक दितले आनी मागीर हो आमी पूर्ण तरेन फुडें व्हरपाक विदीन द कमिटमेंट अलॉंग विथ आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर दॅट वी हॅड गिवन टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा अँड द ऑपोजिशन, वी विल बी एबल टू keep up our commitment and ensure one of the best AI policies in the country. Features सगळे असतात, like we would want to, if AI wants to check the tourism carbon footprint, if you want the lingual models to change, government to citizen services are only in English. We want to get a Kokani LLM, Marathi, खंयचे बाकीचे लँग्वेजेस घालपाक जाय जाल्यार it should be available. आमकां चॅटबॉट 24/7 मल्टीलिंग्युअल म्हणजे तूं कोंकणी विचार, मराठी विचार, इंग्लिशीन विचार, ask on the chatbot your issues, the chatbot will reply to you. So basically what we are saying is one way we want to improve your daily life, not complicate it. Same time we need to ensure that there's a lot of issues of safety and accountability. Deep fake चालू आसा, ताका खबर ना कितें करपाचें थंय. डीप फेक जालो जाल्यार बाबा आपल्याक सपोर्ट डेस्क मिटींग सपोर्ट डेस्क आसा काय ना. मागीर समज खंयचें एक हार्मफुल कंटेंट आसता ते समज हार्मफुल कंटेंट sometimes can affect the whole life of a person, whether you can take it down or no. How you can be having citizen safety, especially women, and how to make it non-negotiable are things which are aspects in putting up a framework. So ताज्या खातीर एक म्हणल्यार the policy talks about skilling, talks about creating opportunities, and very importantly we are talking about creating opportunities, not replacing jobs. So the policy framework on education sector म्हणजे academiaचे inputs, industryचे inputs घेऊन फाल्यां industry should be able to promote themselves. Like how we have done in the IT and the startup fraternity, they should be able to move ahead and make Goa as a space for AI. So जेन्ना हांवें सुरवात जेन्ना सांगली की Goa having arrived on the AI platform, जाल्यार पॉलिसीची गरज आसा. पॉलिसी एकदां जाली की इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग. AI स्किलिंग बाकीच्या एज्युकेशनाक जाय ते वी स्टार्ट ड्रायव्हिंग. So in terms of IT being the nodal agency, the director will be able to drive it in every sector in terms of the AI mission that we want to achieve as far as Goa is concerned. So my education जावं, tourism जावं, health जावं, agri जावं, सगळे हातून आज तुका कशी advanced technologies can beneficial ते we will be able to drive through this particular policy. दुसरो विषय आसा तो सोशल मिडियाचो. सोशल मिडियाचो बॅन, रिस्ट्रिक्शन, नॉट बॅन, आय वुड से रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ युसेज ऑफ सोशल मिडिया फॉर चिल्ड्रन अंडर 16. हो विशय चर्चेक ह्याच फोरमान ह्या सगळ्या अकॅडमी आनी इंडस्ट्री कडेन जाल्लो आनी ताजो डॉक्युमेंट रेडी जाल्लो आसा. This document, after talking to our chief minister, will be presented to the minister for IT, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav ji. तातून पूर्ण तरेन आमी डॉक्युमेंट केला की विचार कितें आता सध्या what problems we are facing. भुरगे आमी जेन्ना म्हणटात रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ युसेज ऑफ सोशल मिडिया टूल्स, आम्ही म्हणतात जे डेट्रिमेंटल असतले जे आमकां डिव्हिडंड भुरग्यांक कांयच दिवचे ना फुडें कांयच तांकां विचारधारा मेळची ना आणि मे बी सोशल मिडिया टूल्स विथ लायक इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक जे अंडर 16 गरजूच ना ते थोडे गजाल्यो आमकां जशे इनपुट्स आयल्या तुका फक्त एग्जांपल्स दिले हांवें ते आमकां रिस्ट्रिक्ट करचे पडटा एट द सेम टायम वी विल सी हाऊ वी कॅन प्रोमोट educational tools Google for them when they can spend that same time of the mobile phone learning more things which is being good for the youth who are the next future of the country आम्ही विषय हो देशांत पयलो घेतिल्लो आंध्र प्रदेश बाकीच्या सगळ्यांनी स्टेटांनी they started getting into this mode the discussions are now happening in every state possibly and are debatable on the years and bakiche our part is to ensure the beneficial part as far as Goa is concerned सो मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे बोलून ते फायनल डॉक्युमेंट आम्ही अश्विनी वैष्णवजी प्रेझेंट करतले विच अलॉंग विथ द पार्ट वेन द IT Act is in place we will request for certain amendments which will become beneficial for the whole all states कित्याक विकसित भारत आमचे प्रधानमंत्री जे उलयतात जाल्यार टेक्नॉलॉजीचो बरो वापर करून भुरग्यांनी तयार जावचे the youth force in the country should be ready on technology positively not into parts where we are talking about which will not be any benefit to the state or the city or the country they live in. So तो एक माध्यम आज डिस्कशन झाला आणि ते लेटरूय आमच्या कडल्यान येस आणि डॉक्युमेंट पूर्ण तरेन करून कितें सगळं सिच्युएशन आसा इनपुट्स आमी कॉलेजी कडल्यान PTA कडल्यान सगळ्या कडल्यान घेतिल्ले आसात ते इनपुट्स घेवन ते लेटर ड्राफ्ट करून आमी कितें सोदतात एंड ऑफ द इट्स अ सेंटर सब्जेक्ट but very constructively taking it up for the benefit of the students and benefit of the youth of the particular state. It is the initiative of our from the IT department to move constructively to look at restricting social media for youth below 16 years. आणि म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा येता त्या दिसांनी सेंटर तशेंच बाकीचे स्टेट असे विचार मांडून आपले फुडें घालून they will also put it because every state is today quite inclined on the same subject which is becoming quite challenging for every people. मिडल इन्कम लोअर इन्कम जी पेरेंट्स आसा ताका सादो फोन काय बरो फोन भुरग्याक जाय ती बरी दिवंक सुद्दां सोदता आज भुरग्याचे रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर देर इट इज फ्रॉम द हार्डवेअर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हातान मोबाईल दिलो की मागीर तो युसेज विथ द चॅलेंजीस विथ द पेरंट ही इज नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल कित्याक भुरगीं जाय तशें वापरतात फोन सगळ्यांनी कशें वापरचे कितें करचें सो एक सर्टन पॉलिसी फ्रॉम द स्टेट विल अलाव द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो टू फायंड अ पर्टिक्युलर कम्फर्ट लायन चिल्ड्रन विल बी रेडी आणि ते टीनेजांतल्यान 16, 17, 18, 19 जेन्ना भुरगो जावन फुडें वता तेन्ना ही शुडंट फायंड that he lost 5 years playing games. He should know that he learned. And there's a lot of learning. AI circle, you can learn from when you are a small child, you can start learning. And I think that is what we should be looking at. So हे दोन माध्यम आज आम्ही सगळ्या आमच्याकडे इंडस्ट्री आणि अकॅडमीकडे उलयला आणि तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यानूच आय वूड वॉन्ट टू कन्वे माय थँक्स अलॉंग विथ माय डिरेक्टर to all the people who are here and today some people who have not reached but have been participating in the discussion whether from the academia or from the industry or part of the government who have given their feedback on both the aspects of the discussion that we have held today.
16 under 16 ह्या restriction ते report ready झाला तुमचा
Report ready झाला.
तुम्ही सीएमआर घेतले
CM कडे उलयतले आणि मागीर then we will give it to the IT minister. No, no. IT policy last 10 years and we were not the first,
Yeah.
but there was never a policy for the state. But AI policy, I think I'm not ever knowing about other states, but we are more interested in launching a good policy for our state. आमची भुरग्यांक फुडार बरो मेळचो AI सेक्टर ते विचारधारा घेऊन आम्ही ही पॉलिसी काडटा.
When you go on that for this translation notebook development, we find it difficult to get translation of Konkani to English.
आमची ऑलरेडी कोंकणी LLM आसा मरे आमची. We have already had a MOU with Bashini. Bashini बरोबर कोंकणी. ना आम्ही अजून हे करणार आहे. तशें नाही रे. दोन पार्ट. गुगल आणि कोंकणी कोणे केली? There was a Goenka who is abroad, who is an ex-Goa Engineering College alumni, Sanjit Hegde Desai. Sanjit Hegde Desai, मडगावचो भुरगो तो US असता ताणें तें तेन्ना केलें आनी आज आमी वी आर गोईंग वन स्टेप अहेड आनी एज अ MOU विथ Bashini वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ कोंकणी LLM तातूंतल्यान तुका पूर्ण त्या माध्यमांतल्यान तुका कोंकणी सगळे वर्ड सगळे जाग्यार मेळून यू बी एबल टू ड्रायव्ह युअर ओन थिंग्स ऑफ तुझी हाज्या फुडें डिजिटल प्रिंट दिता आसतना तूं इंग्लीश घालतलो ट्रान्सलेट करून कोंकणीन दिवंक शकतलो थोडे दीस राव
It's still in the process.
इट्स बीइंग वर्क न्ही इट्स अ डायलेक्ट न्ही इट्स अ यू कॅन चेंज इट ओव्हरनाईट
No, no, no.
थँक्यू
Thank you.